Good.
How you going?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
How can I help?
Oh, look, I'm trying to clean my pool, and when I'm going to turn the handle, it's really hard to turn.
Okay, so
I'm just afraid I'm going to break it when I turn it.
So you're talking about the filter like this?
Yeah, I am actually, yeah.
Okay, so when you push it down and try to turn, it's just very, very hard?
Yeah, and I think I can force it, but I'm just afraid I'm going to break the handle if I force it.
Okay, and the system's obviously turned off when you've done that?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
All right. How long have you had the filter?
Oh, look, a long time. We bought the house 6 years ago, and it was there before we bought the house, so I'm not sure how old it is.
Okay, so look, the problem is it sounds like the Molyport valve's obviously got a bit of a problem. Now the Molyport valve is this top part here.
Okay.
Its main function is it allows water to go in certain sections. So when we have the pump turn on, we can control where we want the water flow to go. Now by the sound of it, because the handle's getting so tight, all the springs and seals and everything inside that Molyport valve seems to be seizing up. Look, 6 years has done a bit of work, so there's a lot of water passing through that. Also, have you done a media change in that 6 years?
No, what do you mean by that?
Okay, well look, these filters like this one here, they hold about 120 kilos worth of sand.
Oh, okay.
I mean, there's other medias out there as well, but sand's the most common.
Yeah.
Now, what happens is when the sand's quite new, if you look at one granular of sand, it's quite coarse. And as the water passes through that, it helps to trap all the material and rubbish that are in your water. But that constant water going through this is corroding that product. So then after years, it slowly starts to get flattened out like a pebble and it pushes down. So basically what you end up with is this real tight media inside and make it very hard for water to pass through. So that's why they always recommend about every 5 years to change your sand media inside of it. So it looks like we've got a couple of things going on. Now, look, depending on how bad the Molyport valve is, you could be looking at an easy $500–600 to replace it. And the sand inside of this we're going to need to get changed as well. So you're going to be looking about $750 for that. It's 120 kilos worth of media. It's going to take the lads at least a couple of hours to get that changed. So you can see that's already starting to add up pretty quickly. If we do a whole new filter with new media, you're going to be looking at $1,500 fully fitted. Now the tank comes with a 15-year pro rata warranty, but if you purchase this through Poolworks, you actually get that as a full 15-year warranty, okay? The Molyport valve on top does come with a 12-month warranty though, so that's pretty much standard across the board. What it means for you is we can basically get a new filter that's going to be working a lot easier for you. So if you actually push down on that handle, you can see how loose that is. So that's going to be a lot better to what you have at the moment.
Oh, it's good. It's easy.
And then basically from that, with the media, we've got a couple of options. We can either go with sand, which is probably the most common out there. That goes down to 20 micron. All right, now that's how fine the filter can grab material out of your water. The other option is we can go glass. Now glass media goes to about 5 microns, so you can see the difference between the two is actually quite finer. The other benefit too is that sand filters we need to backwash and rinse once a month. With glass we can do that once every 2 months. So using less water as well. So it really comes down to that sort of option. Now if you want to go glass, look, you're going to pay a little bit more. You're going to be looking at an extra $150. Okay. How's that sound so far for you? Do you think you want to lean to more replacing the filter, or do you
It's a lot of money.
It is.
It's expensive.
Look, it is, but it's something that's going to last you a very long time. The beauty of the media inside of it is the glass. We can go for 7 years. So it's really giving you a long period of time before you have to do anything again with your filter. Plus that, the benefit of using, say with glass, less water, and also less time for you having to come and work on it as well. So we're really coming down to trying to make your life a lot easier with your pool. The other thing is with the cost factor of it, we can actually do a 3-part payment plan as well. So if you like, I can go into more detail about that if that interests you.
Yeah, good, thanks.
Okay.